Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to install doorknob and with keys, because my door having doorknob but don't have the keys. This one, guys, is working not defect, but the key is missing. So we're going to replace this one, and I'm going to teach on how to do it. Okay guys, we're going to open up this one. Here is it. It has a key, guys. Now you don't need to use this one because it has an existing one. Meron siyang naka-install, guys. All we have to do is take this key and we're going to remove one of the doorknob, and that is the inside one. This is the inside and this is the outside. Okay, I'm going to test here. I'm going to lock in here, lock here, and let's see if it's working. Okay guys, it's working. So we're going to remove this one, guys. To do that, you've seen this pin, this hole. I'm going to press that one. Okay, there is it. Okay, and let's proceed to the door.
Yes, DJ.
And after that, I'm going to push this one and push. Here is it. Ito guys, yung working pero wala siyang key. Papalitan natin siya. Ito ang pampalit natin bago ito, guys. At umpisa natin install. Install po natin itong tumbler assembly. Press po natin lutch assembly. Makikita nyo, guys, yung pin na T-shape. Kailangan pumasok siya sa loob ng assembly natin na tumbler. Press po natin siya. Subukan natin siya i-play at i-lock at i-unlock. If okay na, pasok na natin ang plate, mounting plate together with the bronze plate. At ready po siya, guys. Clockwise po siya. Pagkatapos pasok na natin si interior knob. Press lang po natin siya para pumasok. Simple as that, guys. Subukan natin siyang pasukan ng key. So guys, ilalak ko siya at i-unlock ko. Ngayon, guys, it's working. So kung nagustuhan niyo itong video, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Mabuhay!